Hey guys, what's going on? Dylan O'Brien here, Season 6, set of Teen Wolf. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's happening with Styles this season. Some crazy stuff. It's been an interesting storyline this year for him because he's had a lot of complex kind of thought with boners.
Hello? You know, I'm not sure if you noticed this, but I talk a lot. And that's why I'm blessing you with a quick moment of silence. Let's enjoy it.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Did you guys hear that? Cass, did you guys hear anything?
I'm right here. I'm right here. T-pose. T-pose. Homie. Homie. Homie, don't do this to me. Okay, I'm going in a set. I'm going to shoot the scene. I showed up for work today. It's actually cool. It's actually cool. I'm touching your butt. I can sing Adele. I can sing Adele. When in water, grappling with stars, the places myself. Can you hear me? Hello? Hey, I think that's an Adele song too.
Y eso ha sido todo en el video de hoy, espero que les haya gustado. Les estaré dejando mis redes sociales aquí abajo por si quieren mandarme alguna sugerencia de otro video que quieres que subtitule. También les aviso que subí un nuevo video a mi segundo canal, así que pues vayan a verlo, que lo estaré dejando por aquí. No olviden de suscribirse, de darle manito arriba y de comentar. Nos estamos viendo para la próxima. ¡Adiós!